And we also accessed the Gujarat High Court order copy denying the stay on the conviction of 2019 defamation case. The High Court says that Gandhi's offence increases since not only one individual but a community has been defamed. The High Court goes on to say that Rahul Gandhi is the leader of one of the oldest parties in the country. His utterances get large-scale publicity. The court is also of the view that Rahul Gandhi shall be aware that in this age, large-scale publicity is lightning quick, should have exercised his rights in a more reasonable manner. Ananya with us on the broadcast. Ananya, take us through the key parts of the order.
Well, definitely. I'll take you through the para 60 of the order, which says that, the petitioner is the senior leader of the oldest political party in India with a large presence and a prominent figure in the realm of Indian politics landscape. He also goes on to say that every utterance of the petitioner is automatically gets a large-scale publicity. Basically means that since Rahul Gandhi is a political leader, especially belonging to one of the most prominent parties in the country, he should have been more responsible in the modern electronic medium environment. The large-scale publicity is lightning quick, difficult to contain, and leaves a permanent imprint in the form of website links, videos. The petitioner is assumed to be aware of the same, and being a public personality is vested with the duty to exercise the power at his disposal with cause, ensuring the dignity and reputation. And in fact, if I go down the order, Anusha, another very scathing observation that comes in from, in fact, the court of law is that the applicant is trying to seek a stay on his conviction on an absolutely non-existent ground. It is well-settled principle of law that stay on conviction is not a rule but an exception resorted in rarest of the rare cases. Exactly what, in fact, the Sessions Court has also said. Disqualification is not limited only to MP MLA. Moreover, as many as 10 criminal cases are pending against the applicant. It is now the need of the hour to have purity in politics. It also appears from the record that after filing of the said complaint, another complaint came to be filed against the person accused, out of which one complaint was filed by the grandson of Mr. Savarkar in Pune court, which basically means that the court believes that, Rahul Gandhi is not somebody who is with a pure intent in the politics. In fact, what has also been stated is that Rahul had defamed, Rahul's acts become more graver in nature because he has not only defamed a particular individual, but a community in toto, and that too a community that belongs to a backward class is what the court has noted. So definitely, it's a big setback coming in, Anusha, for, in fact, Rahul Gandhi. And now the next move is that they will be moving the topmost court of the country seeking a relief in this
So, Ananya, in any order copy, there are three portions to the order. One is, of course, the claim of the petitioner, in this case, Rahul Gandhi. The other is respondent's claim. In this case, the state of Gujarat, because that's where the complaint was filed. And third is the finding of the court. So the portions that you just read out for our viewers, are they the finding of the court denying him the relief, or these were the arguments that were submitted by the state government? And also, was this a single judge bench or was this a division bench?
Well, this was a single judge bench of Justice Hemant M. Pracharak, and these are definitely the observations of the court that is reflecting in the last few paragraphs of this particular order. If you see, in fact, the court, in its finality, the court says that in view of the foregoing discussion, in my considered opinion, there is no reasonable ground to stay the conviction of the applicant in the facts and circumstances of the case. The impugned order passed with the appellate court is just, proper and correct, is what the court has said, making these observations that, in this age of social media where information travels through a lightning speed, Rahul Gandhi should have been more aware, is what the court has thought. In fact, it also goes on to say that his intent, the whole offense, actually the gravity increases just because he has not only defamed a particular individual but a big community. Now